joining us a lot today. We have to do it because we cannot just say we cancel it in the middle of the testing. So because we don't normally encourage only one student to be there. So if you are listening to the recording, make sure you are available next time. At least one person is not just enough to do all these things. It should be more interactive. That is the better thing. So that's why it's starting late. And you have to make sure that if you are listening to this recording, please, if you are not going to be available, make sure that you always communicate in the chat box. Thank you. So speed, calculating speed. Now it's about practice questions and also what calculating speed. So when I teach you this practice, what you need to actually calculate speed, you will be able to also practice some questions on it. So calculating speed and density. Calculating speed and density. So when you're done with that, we're going to look at some questions on it and we'll see how it goes. So when you say speed, speed is how far you are traveling. That's your speed. Speed is how fast you are traveling. So speed equals to distance divided by time. So don't forget that distance can be in meters, it can be in kilometers, or it can also be in what? Miles. While time can be in seconds and can also be in what? In hours. So that is speed. As formula for actually what speed. So this is triangle to make it a lot easier for you. So look at this one, and this one is speed times time, then there's distance here. So if you want to find out speed, speed is what? Distance divided by time. If you want to find out distance, it's going to be what? Speed times time. If you want to work out time, it's going to be what? Distance divided by speed. That's how it works. So I'm going to also write for density too. Density is, going to put that one in blue. Density is mass per unit volume. So density equals to mass divided by volume. So, and this is a triangle. Density times volume. Then that is the mass. You see the mass on top there. So that is how it is. So we're going to start with the elementary parts. We're going to start with the elementary parts. Let's start with the elementary part of it. Then so calculate the average speed in miles. This one now, can you say speed? I told you earlier that speed equals to distance divided by time. So that gives you what? 120 is the distance. Time is 3 hours. So it's going to be what? 120 divided by 3. That gives you 40. That's going to be what? 40 miles per hour. 40 miles per hour. That is it. So that's just how to do that. So you can try this one quickly before we go to some exam style questions on speed. Do it. Do these 2 questions, please. Just apply the formula there. So work out when you say how long this thing, how long is time? So that gives you what? Time equals to what? Distance divided by speed. Distance is what? 100. Speed is 25. That gives you 4 hours. You get 4 hours?
Yes.
Calculate how far the pigeon flies. When you say calculate how far the pigeon flies. So how far means what? Distance. Distance equals what? Speed times time. Speed is this. This is this. So do what? 70 times 7. That gives you 490 kilometers. So now look at questions like this. It says the helicopter flies this. Calculate the average speed in miles per hour. You know, this one is what? 2 hours, 30 minutes. So you have to convert it to what? To hours. So it's 2 hours, so it's go what? 2. You convert 30 minutes, go what? 30 divided by 60. Let's go what? 0.5, go what? 2.5 hours. So that gives you a speed equals to 240 divided by 2.5. What's that? Can you see? So because we convert this one, so that gives you 240 divided by 2.5. So it's 96, what? 96 what's called meters per watt per hour. So can you try and do this one? So can you see? So you have to convert these 30 minutes to what? To hours. Are you okay? Can you mute yourself? I can hear some background noise, please. You convert this one, what's it called? 30 minutes to hours. So that gives you 30 divided by 60, because 60 minutes makes 1 hour. So that gives you 0.5. So you now do speed equals to what? Distance divided by time. It's going to be what? 8 divided by 0.5. That gives you what? 16 kilometers per hour. Is that what you got?
Yes.
Mm-hmm. So you have to be able to say quickly too, so that we can be able to move on. Not have to still come and remind you that.
I was waiting for you. Sorry about it.
So now, so these are the type of questions that can actually what be your exam that you must know how to do. So Thomas drove from junction 2 to junction 3 on a road. The distance between the junction is 12 miles, and it takes 15 minutes. So that's that Anna 2, the speed is this. So now you want to know, they ask you that who is faster. So they want to ask you that who is faster. So you want to find out the speed for this one. Don't forget that speed equals to distance divided by time. The speed is 12. The time is what? You convert this 15 minutes to hours. It's good what? 15 divided by 60. That gives you 0.25. Then divided by 0.25. So it's going to be what? 12 divided by 0.25. So that gives you 48 miles per hour. So that's good with 48 miles per hour. Then you can now check it now. Can you see from Thomas is covering what? 48 miles in 1 hour, and Anna is covering what? 50 miles in 1 hour. So I think Anna is faster because what? It's covering more miles. Okay, it's covering more miles per hour than Thomas. Can you see it's covering more? The one that's covering more miles per hour is the fastest. So yeah, can you try this one? Do it now. Maybe I should got it right. So a village is 20 miles from Belfast. Connor drives the village, drives from the village to Belfast at 40 miles per hour. Kelly drives from village to Belfast at 50 miles per hour. Work out how much longer the phone actually will take in minutes. So it's can you see? It's what's it called? It's 20 miles from the village to what? To Belfast. So check it here. So this is triangle I told you about. Speed. Distance. So time equals what? Distance divided by speed. Distance is what? 20 divided by 40. That's going to be what? 0.5 hours. That gives you what? 30 minutes. Then 20 divided by 50 gives you what? 0.4 hours. So what is 0.4 times 60? 0.4 times 60. I'll give you 24. It's good what? 24 minutes. So you now do it in a way that, can you see that how much longer? So it's going to be what? 30 minus 24 is what? 6. So it's going to be 6 minutes. You get 6 minutes?
No.
Okay. So what did you get? You got 10 the puzzle. What did you get?
I didn't do the last bit. You did 30, take away 24.
Yeah, because I asked you that how much longer. Huh?
I stopped with a minute. That's why I didn't do the further calculation.
Okay. So
Can continue for it.
So that is it. So, and yeah, 22 and 23. Can you try that one? 22 and 23. The speed limit of a road is this. That's the speed limit of the road is this. A car drives what? 19 miles in 22 minutes. Is the car breaking the speed limit? So if it's breaking the speed limit, that means that it's speeding more than the required level. So what is the speed? So that gives you 19 divided by 22. Sorry, we convert it to 22 to hour first. So 22 divided by 60 is what? You put that one on your calculator. 22 divided by 60. That gives you 0.36. Then you now do 50. So I do 22. Sorry, you now do 19 divided by 0.36. Because that will go to 0.36 hours. Then 19 miles. So it's going to be what? 19 divided by. And so that gives us 51.81 miles per hour. Can you see? The guy is speeding at 51.81. It's more than 50 miles per hour. Because it's more than 50 miles per hour, that means that's what is breaking the speed limit. You get it right? No?
No.
Okay, good. It's breaking the speed limit. So, and look at this one too. Drone A has a maximum speed of 35 miles per hour. Drone B has a maximum speed of 57 kilometers per hour. Which drone has a greater maximum speed? Okay, this one you might actually struggle on that because because 5 miles equals to 1 kilometer. So you'll be giving this. It's equals to 8 kilometers. Sorry, you'll be giving this one. So don't worry about the second one. But the common question in your exam, which I'm going to ask you, very common question in your exam. So that's the sorry. It can speed is 60 kilometers per hour. And you say car A, car B, so you say car B covers 1.85 kilometers in 88 seconds. Calculate the percentage increase. Calculate the percentage increase. Calculate the percentage increase. So, can you see? Increase in speed from car A to B. So car A speed is what? 60 kilometers per hour. Car B covers what? 1.85 kilometers in 88 seconds. Calculate the capacity increase from increase in speed from car A to B. So from car A to B, we have to do guys. So we have to do You have to find the speed of B first. What's the speed of B? Equals to 18.5, 1.85. You have to convert 88 to speed. So that gives you 88 divided by 3600. You're converting into what? Hours. So that gives me what? It gives me 0.88 divided by 3600. Give me 0.024. So that gives you 0.024. Now do 1.85 divided by this thing. So that gives me what? 75.68. So now they calculate what? Percentage what increase, you know? It's going to be equal to just difference between them. It's going to be 75.68 minus 60 equals to 15.68 divided by the original one, which is 60 times 100. So divided by 60 times 100. So it's going to be 21.14. That's going to be what? 21.14%. That's it. So that's totally 26.14%. So you can copy that now, please. That late now. So so what you need to do is just that when you want to calculate what? Percentage change equals to the change divided by the original amount times 100. So if we say that the price of a book increase from 20 to 30 pounds. Work out the percentage change. So what's the difference between the book prices? Can you tell me what's different between the book prices?
£10.
£10. So that's the change. You put it there. £10. What was the original amount before it increased? What was
20.
the original? Eh?
£20.
£20, yes. Times 100. So 10 divided by 20 is 0.5, 0.5 times 100 was 50%. That's it. So it's just similar to what I did for you too. The speed before, the speed after, minus the speed before, divided by the speed before. That's all, times 100. So you can put this one, that's how to calculate it. Before and after.
Okay.
You can put this one down before we wrap it up, please.
Thank you.
Are you done writing?
Yeah.
So when you want to talk to them in this thing,
Sorry?
when you want to talk to them in school, please, you tell them that you need login, because it's not only maths, you also have English too, that you will need login to the module. That's what. Okay. Don't say you want to practice, you want to, no. You call them, you need login.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.